Alright, so today I'm working on my 2500. I'm putting this battery. This is the starter cable, and distribution block. So it's got two batteries. Obviously, it's diesel. So it's got two batteries. One controls starting and all that, and then the other one controls all the other stuff, like all my lights inside the truck, and then it's got the lights, light bar, all that stuff. That's all part of that. But I'm having an issue where it isn't starting, or going down the road, stuff will cut off, cut on, the radio will cut off. So that box is known to mess up. It's known to. It gets corrosion on it, and it sits right there by the hinge. So water doesn't just drip on it, but water does get over there on it. So it causes corrosion. So what I'm doing now, I'm gonna get this apart and show y'all what I'm doing. Also on these trucks, you gotta, for just about everything, you gotta take the fender liner out, which I mean, I could probably snack my way around not doing it. Just take it, sit it on down. It ain't nothing really. It's just some clips and screws. But that's just part of messing with stuff. Do the fuel filter, you gotta take it off. Which I don't even have to mess with that. I don't even use that factory filter housing. I've gone around that. I don't even use that. Get shut up. See what we're working with. Just go in the hole. Yeah. It's tight in there. Alrighty. Here we go. I'm pretty sure that goes on the wheel liner. Pretty sure. Yep. I have to click that stuff back in. Put my feet zip down, all that stuff. I had to go download breakfast, pork chops, corn on the cob, and some baked beans. Beans! You know what they say, the more you eat, the more you like them. But yep, I finna set me some tools back down and let's see. Maybe the extension. Yeah, I'm going to joke around is what I'm going to do. So, go on ahead and reconnect this stuff. Without touching everything. Without touching everything. I'm not using a impact either. Because that shit don't work. Optimum batteries don't really work in those trucks either. They don't really work in here. Friday night. Let's see what I'm working with. My neighbor's cool too. I wave at him. Half the time we don't even be paying attention. We'll be waving. We don't even be paying attention. I'm sure that's the case for a lot of people. But yeah, that's what I've learned. These optimum batteries don't really fit in these trucks. Very good. And that was an expensive. Two of them batteries is high. Alright, let's see. I don't know. Let me get the key. It doesn't sound like it's doing much of nothing. I'm not sure everything is up on here. Yeah. Terminals ain't even tight. I'm like tighten them things on up there, boy. Ooh. Huh. Should be teaching life, but nothing. Huh. Yeah, now it doesn't do a single thing. So I'm not real sure at all. Are the batteries dead? Maybe. Let me see. My little meter at. I should have thought about that. Thought about that before I left it sit. It's been sitting for about, oof, probably since around Christmas. If it sat there, meter's kind of out of range. Alright, so we're going to get the batteries charged up. It's gonna be the continuance of the video. Make sure that, oh, turn that on down. Let's see, huh? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I could just kill them batteries down. It's got a low coolant level. I think that's that overflow tank, that sensor. The only way to get the sensors by the whole tank. If it ain't one thing, it's another. But it ain't nothing crazy though. We'll be able to do something with it. Oh, watch it, man.